Hello there, the Aging Gamer with you, and this is DIY with Tag. As I mentioned, I'm the Aging Gamer. That's my name on YouTube and Twitch, as you see below here. You can follow me at the Aging Gamer on YouTube. So you can call me Tag for short. About to take you through a DIY video. So I hope it helps. I hope it saves you some money. But two very important things before we start. One is always do your research, and two is be safe. So do those two things before you embark on any of these projects that you see. But I hope you enjoy the video. I hope it helps you out. And if it does, hit that subscribe button for me up top. If you have more questions or how-tos, hit me in the comments down below. I look forward to seeing y'all in more videos. For some more DIY with Tag. Today I'd like to show you a message board project that I did. Kind of a cool way to have a message board in the house with a little bit different look or feel. The farmhouse, rustic appeal, whatever you want to call it there. Simple project as far as that goes. Just finding the length, size of boards that fit you. You want them thicker, or thinner. Just depends on your look and style. Then you can stain them up, paint them up, however you want. Went with the exposed nails, kind of like the farmhouse look of that, having the exposed nails. Got the metal sheeting across here as far as just holding the paper firmly, and then at the top, just going into your hardware store and sort of mix and match what you're looking for lead pipe wise or metal pipe wise, as far as creating yourself a holder. I kind of like this having this cap on it, but there's a lot of different ways you can go as far as capping that off, to hold the paper in there. So fun little project for you as far as the message board goes. Oh, and then the last thing is these are all nailed to and anchored on a 1x4 here behind. So that 1x4 is anchored into the wall, and then all these pieces are just nailed into that. So hit me in the comments if you have any questions, how-tos, any comments or anything like that. Let me know. Always looking to make these better. Again, it's the Aging Gamer. Hit the subscribe up top, and this has been DIY with Tag.